The NIO Onvo L90 is more than just an electric SUV. It represents a significant evolution in the way automakers approach large, family-oriented, technology-rich electric vehicles. It symbolizes a bold step by NIO and its Onvo sub-brand towards expanding into a broader market while retaining advanced engineering and premium features that distinguish it from many competitors. At first sight, the L90 impresses with its size and proportions. It is a full-size, three-row SUV designed to cater to families, comprehensive travel needs, and tech-savvy consumers. Its presence on the road is commanding, a deliberate choice to balance practicality with premium appeal. The long wheelbase contributes to generous cabin space and a stable, grounded ride feel, while the body's aerodynamic considerations ensure efficiency rarely seen in vehicles this large. The exterior styling adopts a refined yet assertive design language. Rather than using exaggerated sculpting or aggressive surfaces, the L90 harnesses elegance through simplicity and purposeful lines. The front fascia is clean and modern, with efficient LED lighting systems that not only look futuristic, but enhance visibility. The overall silhouette emphasizes both form and function, sleek enough to reduce drag, but bold enough to signal SUV capability. The large wheel options, including aerodynamic designs, further communicate both performance and efficiency. Stepping inside, the L90's cabin environment redefines what many expect from a large SUV. Traditional three-row vehicles often sacrifice third-row comfort or cargo usability, but the Onvo L90 is meticulously engineered to maximize space utility without compromise. The seating configurations are thoughtfully designed, offering both 6-seat luxury options with captain's chairs and a conventional 7-seat layout. This flexibility means the vehicle can serve as a family hauler, executive transporter, or long-distance travel companion. Materials and ergonomics in the cabin reflect careful attention to detail. Premium upholstery, layered soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting set a high bar for comfort. Multi-directionally adjustable seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions on higher trims transform long drives from a chore into a genuinely enjoyable experience. Noise insulation is exceptional thanks to an extensive package of acoustic materials and well-engineered ceiling, minimizing external road and wind noises that can intrude at highway speeds. Technology is one of the Onvo L90's core strengths. The SUV isn't just loaded with screens, it is powered by an intelligent vehicle ecosystem designed around NIO's Sky OS and NT.Coconut architecture. These systems manage everything from the infotainment interface to vehicle control logic, creating a smooth, responsive, and deeply integrated user experience. Multiple displays, including a large central touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, and an optional roof-mounted entertainment screen, deliver information in a clear, contextually appropriate manner. The interface avoids clutter, focusing on user clarity and minimalism while giving access to advanced functionality. Connected features extend beyond navigation and media. Voice control with natural language understanding allows passengers and drivers to interact with the vehicle without lifting a finger, commanding the climate system, adjusting lighting, accessing entertainment, or setting navigation destinations simply by speaking. The vehicle learns preferences over time, enhancing the sense that the L90 is not just a mode of transport, but an intelligent companion on the road. Performance for a vehicle of this size is impressive. The L90 is available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. The RWD version uses a combination of motors that deliver robust power and confident acceleration, the kind of responsiveness that makes merging onto highways or overtaking large vehicles feel composed and effortless. Despite its large mass, the SUV feels stable and well-balanced, a testament to advanced suspension tuning and a well-engineered chassis. Independent suspension on both front and rear ends, paired with smart damping control, provides a smooth ride even over rough surfaces, smoothing out bumps and absorbing road imperfections without inducing fatigue in passengers. The high-voltage architecture plays a key role in both performance and efficiency. Utilizing a 900-volt platform, the L90 is capable of supporting ultra-fast DC charging, meaning that where infrastructure permits, drivers can replenish significant range in a short amount of time. While real-world charging speeds will depend on station compatibility and environmental conditions, the engineering allows the vehicle to maximize the benefit of high-power charging stations, a critical advantage for long-distance travelers. Range figures under the Chinese CLTC cycle clock in around 600 kilometers for the rear-wheel drive variant and slightly under that for AWD models. CLTC tends to be optimistic compared to international WLTP or EPA cycles, but in most real-world scenarios, the SUV still delivers practical and useful range figures that remove everyday range anxiety for most drivers. Efficient motor control, aerodynamic efficiency, and regenerative braking systems combine to extend usable range in mixed driving conditions. Cargo and storage solutions reflect thoughtful design. The L90's trunk area is impressively deep even with 3 rows occupied, enough to hold suitcases, camping gear, or essential equipment for family excursions. The optional front or front trunk adds another storage layer, giving drivers flexibility for luggage partitioning or gear separation. Seats fold flat easily, and the mechanisms are intuitive, underscoring the dual role of the vehicle as both a daily driver and a long-distance travel SUV. Safety architecture in the L90 is multi-layered. The vehicle structure uses a steel-aluminum hybrid framework with high-strength materials in critical zones, enhancing crash resilience without excessive weight penalties. A comprehensive airbag suite extends protection to all seating positions, and curtain airbags that cover the entire cabin contribute to occupant safety in side impacts. Beyond passive safety, an array of active safety systems work constantly to prevent incidents before they happen. Adaptive cruise, lane center assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, and cross-traffic alerts cooperate to provide all-around predictive protection. Driver assistance goes a step further with advanced highway features that ease long-distance travel. Algorithms predict driving dynamics, adjust speed and steering gently, and reduce driver workload in heavy traffic or monotonous highway environments. These systems are designed to support the driver without overriding human control, a key balance that ensures safety without frustration. Entertainment and comfort converge in the cabin sound system and cabin experience. The high-end audio setup with dozens of speakers, a powerful digital amplifier, and Dolby Atmos support transform the cabin into a pseudo-theater. Concerts, podcasts, or navigation cues are delivered with clarity and richness that enhance long rides rather than fatigue passengers. The expansive panoramic roof option adds a sense of space and openness, connecting occupants to the outside environment without compromising insulation. Ownership models for the L90 are forward-thinking. NIO continues to offer its battery-as-a-service option, allowing buyers to purchase the vehicle without the battery, significantly lowering the upfront cost. Drivers subscribe to the battery separately with predictable monthly payments, giving flexibility in total ownership cost while ensuring NIO's battery upgrades and maintenance services remain available. This approach addresses one of electric vehicle ownership's biggest concerns, battery degradation and replacement cost, by decoupling the battery life cycle from the vehicle's lifespan. The L90 comes with connectivity further reinforced by over-the-air OTA updates, meaning firmware, navigation data, safety system upgrades, and infotainment features can improve or expand over time. This living vehicle philosophy ensures that the SUV's capabilities evolve after purchase, not remain static as once was the norm. In real-world feedback from early adopters, owners consistently highlight the L90's smooth power delivery, cabin comfort, and long-distance usability as standout qualities. Long trips that might intimidate owners of smaller EVs feel manageable in the L90 because of its range, charging capability, and peace of mind features, including broad driver assistance profiles that reduce fatigue. Software refinement is an ongoing process. Some owners report that certain interface elements initially feel less intuitive, but OTA updates have improved responsiveness and clarity. Navigation and route prediction tools become more accurate as the vehicle collects driving data and adapts to local conditions, another example of the learning vehicle paradigm. Because Because the Onvo L90 is developed within NIO's ecosystem, it benefits from access to NIO's power swap network where available, a unique infrastructure that allows rapid battery swaps at stations in mere minutes. While not as widely deployed as DC fast charging, the battery swap network provides a competitive advantage in markets where it is operational, particularly for users who prefer immediate range replenishment with no wait. The Onvo L90's market positioning is strategic. It bridges the gap between mainstream large electric SUVs and high-end luxury three-row electric vehicles, offering premium features at a price point that is competitive, especially when BAS is utilized. In China and select international markets, the L90 has seen strong initial uptake, a sign that consumers desire large, tech-rich electric SUVs beyond legacy brand offerings. In summary, the NIO Onvo L90 is a reflection of where modern electric SUVs are heading: smarter, safer, more comfortable, and more practical without compromise. Its blend of performance, technology, safety, and thoughtful ownership choices make it a formidable contender in the global EV landscape, appealing to families, tech enthusiasts, and long-distance travelers alike. In conclusion, the Huawei AITO M7 is a unique SUV that blends electric strength, hybrid range security, smart connectivity, premium interior, and intuitive user experience. It targets buyers who want technology and comfort as much as range and capability. For many drivers, the M7 isn't just transportation, it's a mobile